That is out of this world fabulous. Out of this world fabulous. This is going to help you ring in the new year. Happy New Year's Eve, everybody. I am so excited to celebrate, and I am even more excited to show you this drink for your New Year's Eve party or your pregame. So, what we're making is a rainbow cookie cocktail. That's right. This drink is going to taste just like a rainbow cookie without all the heavy sugar and alcohols. So, this drink traditionally is made with a lot of sweet, sugary alcohols. And I've developed a recipe that leaves the same taste with less sugar. Because we all know what happens when you start drinking those sugary cocktails. By the next morning, you need an Advil, a bacon, egg, and cheese, and a Gatorade. We're not doing that. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off with a shaker full of ice. Then we're going to add in 1 ounce of either heavy cream or half and half, your choice. Then we're going to go in with 2 ounces of your favorite vodka. Okay. We're going to add in a teaspoon of almond extract. We're going to add in about a teaspoon-ish of raspberry syrup. I made this raspberry syrup with 3 tablespoons of raspberry jam and 3 tablespoons of boiling water. I mixed it together, then I strained out the seeds, and this is what you're left with. So we're going to add in about a teaspoon of that. This is going to give you your raspberry flavoring, like as if it were the raspberry jam in between the layers of the rainbow cookie. We're going to put on our topper, and we're going to set this aside for 1 minute. Okay, so before we start shaking her up, I want to prepare our glass. So I have here a Martini glass that I'm going to dip in chocolate syrup. You could also melt chocolate chips, however you'd like to do it, but we just want to rim the glass. So we're just going to rim the glass like that, and then I'm going to dip it in some sprinkles, and that's what you're left with. Now you can set this aside. First, after you rim your glass, you want to just fill it with ice, because I like to serve this over ice. And then you want to shake this for at least 20 seconds. You want the outside of your shaker to become very, very frothy. See? Your shaker should look like that. Frothed. Then you just strain it over the ice. Look at how beautiful that color is. And I like to garnish mine with a rainbow cookie on a toothpick right on the side of the cup. Is that not gorgeous or what? Who would not want to be drinking that on New Year's Eve? Let's give it a taste. That is out of this world fabulous. Out of this world fabulous. This is going to help you ring in the new year. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want the recipe to my rainbow cookie cocktail, just comment recipe in the comment box and I'll be sure to send it to you. Cheers.